Hey guys, really excited to be showing you this video today. I am currently working on an affiliate program directly inside of my chatbot. So this affiliate program will be connected towards my membership, my chatbot marketing accelerator membership, and members can sign up to become an ambassador, basically creating their own unique link and then be able to share that link with others, connecting them to the referral itself. So if a referral presses that link, then the connection between referral and referrer are connected. I'm registering this in the backend, and I'm going to show you a part of this affiliate setup that I'm currently still working on. So the thing that I currently finished is the fact that you can now sign up to become an ambassador for the premium membership and then receive your own unique link. So if I go inside my omnichannel chatbot, I have a flow for people to sign up, and that basically looks like the following. So we have the flow CMA ambassador sign up. If we go here, then you will see that it's a pretty basic flow, right? So although this is going to be a pretty advanced setup in creating unique links and using a link shortener API, it's pretty simple in setup if you take a look at all the available blocks. So if we take a look inside, the first thing that you will notice is this one. So I'm first going to check if they are already an ambassador, yes or no. If yes, they will have this tag and then they will get this message. So you're already an ambassador, first name, your referral link is, and then the referral link. Soon as I've set up the rest of the affiliate process, I will send out a PM so you can start sharing your link. Now, this is the actual process. So if they do not have the ambassador tag yet, they will go towards this process. So, hey, first name, great to see you here. It means you're wanting to become an ambassador for the CMA membership, right? If they say no, okay, they can go back to the main menu if they like to. But if they want to, I'm going to check first, do I have their email? Because I want to send them an email confirming all kinds of setups, right, for the referral program. If they do not have an email registered yet, for some reason, I'm going to ask for the email. I'm going to confirm it, opt them in for email, and then I'm going to generate the link. And the generation of a link is really where all the magic happens, because I also have a JavaScript function, a JavaScript module. Someone was kind enough to build this JavaScript for me. And if we take a look really quick, this basically checks if the referral name that I want to import inside the referral link is already there. And if not, if yes, then it will add an additional digit towards that referral name. Then it will go towards my API that I have with Switchy. Switchy is my URL shortener, and I'm using that to basically generate the unique referral link. So if we take a look inside here, then you will see that, if I can press it, then you will see that I have a request URL, and this is the link to Switch's URL API request to generate the actual link. These are the headers basically, and then we have the body where all the magic happens to generate the actual link. So we have the linked title, we have the description, we have the URL that we are going to use. So that will be this, basically this URL, right? And then the user NS, because I need to know the user ID basically of the referrer to be able to connect that towards the referral. And this way it will help me in doing so. Then I'm going to select my domain over at Switchy that I want to use for my URL shortener. Then I have the ID. So basically you will have your main URL, right? So that will be your URL shortener. And then you will have a slash and then your ID. So for example, markvandermeet.com/growth, right? Or growth hack or something like that. So once I filled this in, then basically I will get a response back. I'm getting a response for the ID back, and I'm getting a response for the domain back. And then I will need to build the link myself inside of the chatbot. So the way I'm doing that is by basically setting a custom field, right? So if I set the custom field referral, basically what I do is I first implement the switchy domain, then I'm doing a slash, and then I'm going to implement the switchy ID, basically building out the entire link this way. So if that is done, I'm going to give the referral link towards the newly become ambassador, and they can share this link. For now, I'm just setting this message. So if they buy through your link, then you will receive a 40% commission on the total amount. And for now, do not share the link yet, as I'm setting up the rest of the affiliate process, but I will send you an email at the registered email as soon as the program is finished. And then I'm going to update the data inside of Google Sheets. So I'm keeping in Google Sheet with all the referrals and the referrers data, right? And then I'm also going to add a tag towards them that they have become an ambassador. So even though they press the link again, if we go towards the entire first step, you will see that we first check for this link. If they have it, they will get this message as I showed already. But I'm also building in a failsafe just in case. So the failsafe is basically that soon as they press the link themselves and trying to cheat in one way or another, I am going to check that. So this is the flow that the referrals are going to enter, right? But the first condition check is basically I'm going to check if the referrer ID is the same as the user NS, because I registered this just in case. And if it is, then the referrer has clicked its own link, and then they will get something like this, right? I'm not sure about the message yet. I just set it up to test it and it's working. So that's a fantastic thing. But this is basically my setup so far. Once I have the entire affiliate process in place, then I will share the complete setup with you, of course. But I want to show you that it is a really great place and a great way to build an affiliate project directly inside of your chatbot. I'm doing it inside of UChat, but basically every chatbot platform that supports a payload inside the ref URL. So there could be ManyChat, there could be ChatRace, there could be UChat. Not sure about the other chatbot platforms, but those are the three I know they have it. You can build this affiliate process inside your own chatbot. You do not need any external third-party platforms for this. You can build it directly inside. So if you have any questions, do let me know and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. But if you liked this video, do give it a like, because it will allow me to get a little bit more exposure and help me on my road to 1K subscribers as well for this year. And if you want to get notified about more videos going live, then do subscribe to the channel yourself. For now, have a great day, take care and talk soon.